Have you ever felt your body slowing down? Stiff joints, shrinking muscles, or bones that just don't feel as strong anymore? What if the solution wasn't some expensive drug or supplement, but a handful of tiny seeds sitting in your kitchen right now? Today, we're revealing one powerful seed that can help older adults restore strength, protect their bones, and even regenerate worn-out joints naturally. This seed is backed by science and stories from real people who've turned their health around, one spoonful at a time. Stick around because the seed might just be the missing link to feeling younger, stronger, and more mobile, no matter your age. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, aren't just a crunchy snack. They're one of the most nutrient-dense seeds on Earth, especially powerful for people over 50, packed with magnesium, zinc, iron, and healthy fats. Pumpkin seeds support everything from muscle recovery to hormone balance and deep restorative sleep. Key health benefits: stronger muscles and fewer cramps. Magnesium is vital for proper muscle contraction. It helps prevent restless legs, nighttime cramps, and age-related muscle weakening. A magnesium deficiency is extremely common in older adults, and just 1 to 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds can meet up to 40% of your daily needs. Bone protection: pumpkin seeds contain zinc, phosphorus, and magnesium, all of which help maintain bone mineral density, essential for preventing fractures and bone loss in aging adults, especially women post-menopause. Joint pain relief and inflammation control. The omega-9 fatty acids and plant-based antioxidants in pumpkin seeds calm inflammation in the joints, particularly knees, hips, and hands. They've even shown mild benefits in people with arthritis-like pain. Heart and hormone health. The seeds are rich in plant sterols and healthy fats, which help regulate cholesterol and support testosterone and estrogen levels. Important for strength, mood, and libido. Improved sleep and mood. They contain tryptophan, an amino acid that the body uses to produce serotonin and melatonin, 2 chemicals crucial for better mood. Reduced anxiety and quality sleep. Especially useful for adults who struggle with insomnia or hormonal shifts. How to use pumpkin seeds properly. Daily dose: 1 to 2 tablespoons per day is ideal. Best form: raw, salted, or lightly toasted. How to eat: sprinkle on yogurt, oatmeal, soups, or blend into smoothies. Pair with vitamin C for better mineral absorption. Gut support tip: soaking them overnight in water helps reduce phytic acid, making minerals more absorbable. Effects and what to watch out for: pumpkin seeds are generally safe, but overeating can cause bloating, especially if not soaked. They contain phytates, which may reduce mineral absorption if eaten in excess and unsoaked. Salted and fried versions often contain excess sodium and damaged fats. Avoid them. People with sensitive stomachs or IBS may find large amounts hard to digest. Bonus tip: combine pumpkin seeds with bone broth or nettles tea to supercharge collagen formation and nutrient uptake. This is a powerful combo for those recovering from weakness, injuries, or brittle bones.